Alright, so today's video is on a 1979 Mobylette carburetor. I'm just going to be taking it apart and cleaning it up a little bit. Just figured I'd show you guys the internals of it and what to expect. So let's disassemble this thing. I'm going to make sure that you measure how far in or out this was. So in my case, it's about 3 1/8. Just take your carb cleaner, give it a good clean. You gotta make sure that you can get your spray to it. Sometimes I'll just spray a bunch in there and let it soak. Now with the main jet, make sure you go in, that you're getting out on both sides here. Take your filter, get off any of that other crud. Now you want to make sure that your main fuel intake is not clogged either. What I like to do for the float needles is, since it's a 2-in-1 piece, I like to just kind of clean it up a little bit. Don't beat it up. Just so you can help prevent sticking. The good and bad thing about these carburetors is that it's a very simple design. So as far as your main parts go, this is what you're looking at. So now that we have it all cleaned out, let's go ahead and reinstall everything. So don't forget to put your O-ring back on. So once you get the O-ring on, make sure that you don't forget this little screw here. It's easy to forget. And when you go to put this back on, make sure that you're careful with how you put it on with the needle so you don't flatten the top of the tip. Giggity. Should sit on there pretty easily. Giggity. After that, I'd say take your other little screw so you don't forget and put that back in. Then time for your main jet. And then we'll set this back to where it was. So just bring it all the way in. And we'll do my 8th turn, and then 1 or half, 1, half, 2, half, and 3. Now this is off one of my bikes that I was running this summer, so I'm just gonna wipe this down. Line that all up. There you go. It's a cleaned up 1979 Motobecane Mobylette Gertner carb that everybody hates so much. I like to run them stock, so I still have these. Now, something I do want to say about the float and float needle is I don't believe you can really set a different height for these. I'm pretty sure it's just a one size kind of fits all type of deal. So if you're looking to go a little bit faster, I would definitely suggest replacing this stock carb. These are not amazing. They have a lot of flaws and a lot of issues come with just this carburetor. So this is just for somebody looking to try to keep it stock as long as they can.